Here we have this 2016 66 plate Mercedes-Benz C220D AMG line. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the neon yellow brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the black Panamera style front grille, the contrasting chrome front badge. We have the low line kit fitted to this vehicle, so you get the black front splicer side skirt extensions just there as well. Now we do get the black window trim with privacy glass on the rear, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We do get your dual exit exhaust which are chrome tipped, and that's flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. You have your tinted rear lights and also the black strip along the rear bumper, the boot. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick glimpse into the rear of the car, you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle with the ISOFIX points pulled out and armrest and storage behind the passenger driver's seat. You have your electric windows, brushed metal trim and also your integrated speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are heated and have the extended thigh support. You have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, auto lights, multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifter if you take the car into manual mode. As you can see, vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 20,640 miles. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation, you have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, front and rear parking sensors with visual display and also your rear camera. You have your gloss black trim all over the centre of the vehicle there as well. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it's available to take away today free, contact us nationwide next day delivery. Takes by Clear comes a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive delivery finance. Thank you very much for watching.